Today, Shona had to go do a photo shoot in the city over at Vaucluse, so we decided to come to the Botanical Gardens and have a picnic using Shona's new picnic bag.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song. You can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you rapping about. I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late nights getting dipping like we're on our own run. Got the words though, 'cause we're so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words though, we were so young. Now you're long gone. And I know time flies by so fast. Still I'm thinking of you. Do you remember still how we used to run? Fields were rolling. You said maybe it's love. It sure as hell was.
Hibiscus is quite a large species with several hundred types. Most known for its beautiful 30cm wide flower, a massive attention seeker to all, including insects that go straight to the flower's central stalk. They gorge on the yellow pollen on the male antlers, then covered in the remains from their meal, they rub against the female stalk. And there you have it, pollination. Let's go see the bug plants. The plants that eat the bugs. Ooh, yeah. What do you reckon? Look, they're orchids. There, rock orchids. They'll have pretty white flowers. So pretty. A frog? Look. A really cool exhibit at the Royal Botanical Gardens is Plants with a Bite. Entry is by donation. It's located near the Mosshead Fountain Gate, Shakespeare Place, corner of Macquarie Street. Since Nepenthes and pitcher plants live in such low nutrient soil, they get their nutrients through bugs and sometimes even mice or frogs that fall into their pitchers. Koala bear, 'cause I'm not a bear at all. I'm not a bear at all.
The cactus garden that way?
Yes, it is. Good call.
You lost your tongue somewhere, don't know what to say. Stop and run around.